Hi guys, so this is what the wig looks like, again from LONGQI Hair. They're Cambodian deep curly, and baby girl, so you guys saw what I used to lift this, and I only did the bundles, did not do the frontal. I really wish I should have done it, but I was like, I can't be bothered, honey. Like, I made this wig damp yesterday, then I had to come back today and finish it. Ooh, girl. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is amazing. Okay? Amazing. Alright, just so you know, it's lit. So LONGQI Hair, they're Cambodian deep curly, frontal. You guys, okay, so we're continuing with this video. And I'm not really nervous filming this video. It's just that I don't even know if you guys trust me at this point, because I've misled you guys so many times deliberately. I bought a shirt saying what the gender is, so if you don't believe, I'm like, no, look, I have a shirt. So I'm going to actually just do my eye makeup while I'm talking to you guys. Yes, honey, yes. Should I contour my forehead? Okay, so black and white in 3, 2. Oh, and I'm disabling the comments for this video. Oh Lord have mercy. Alrighty, I can't even tell you what colors I'm using. I can't hold like, hey, I'm using this color. Oh, it's so good, I love it, it's my go-to color. But okay, so Life with Jonathan Zine, because that's our first born, not our first child. Because if you guys don't know, I miscarried our first pregnancy. Obviously blamed, I didn't blame God, but I was pretty upset. I was like, what? Because like German and I were really excited about that first pregnancy. Like, we told people like, guess who I breed? This girl I breed. Like, I was really excited. And then when we got pregnant with Jonathan, I got scared. And I was like, we can't tell anybody, because we don't want what happened with our first pregnancy to happen. And it has just been that fear for like the duration of, you know what I mean, like it has been that fear. You don't know what you did wrong in the first place to prevent it, to avoid it, or whatever. So my entire pregnancy with Jonathan, I was low-key, high-key scared, you know. With this pregnancy, it is it is no different, bruh. It is no different. Like, I just hope everything goes well. Oh yeah, I've decided to go private. Oh my god, I'm losing my train of thought. My energy is going. I'm losing my energy. We decided to go private. I've heard about it, and it's more money, and we're also going to do the private delivery, which is more money again. This sounds weird, I said it in one video. Like, I'd really like to go by and let one try out Andrews, because I hear up there you have more of a private experience. Like, if I decide to do a labor vlog, yo, like, it looks nothing like the maternal area or the delivery ward. It's not nothing to gawk at, like, ooh girl, yes, yes, it's nothing like that idiot. So what I love about going private is just the meeting times. Like, my appointments are scheduled, right? So when I went public, I remember distinctly like being up by you at like 6 a.m. 6:30, and I have to reach that early because I wanted to get a number. Yeah, I have to get a number, because in the public system, and if you reach at a certain time, you get a certain number, Zine, and like that number, it dictates like where you are. And for me, that was kind of frustrating, you know. So I would get there for like 6:30. Let's say they open at 8, so I'm there hour and a half before, and them still not reach. And when them do reach, I have to wait. Like, I think every single time I went, there was orientation. Because every single time I went, there was orientation. So some people like want to skip the orientation, but they can't, because if they come late for the orientation, they don't get a number that going to, you know, make them get through quicker. So I'm there from 6:30. I don't get through till like 11, 12, 1, between 11 and 1. Alright, so I'm going to lift the black and white in 3, 2, 1. Can you tell what we're having? Alright, back to black and white in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Oh god. Hold on, hold on. I'm so nervous. Alright. I'm so nervous. Okay, so hold on, let me zoom out. Oh my god. Why am I so nervous? Okay, so we are having, let's lift the black and white in 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. I'm so nervous. I'm sure I have black. Look, there's like blue. I'm so messy when I put my makeup on, and it's not on properly. It says Keisha K or Lollipop. I've had this for about 3 or 4 years. The thing is stiff, but I like it. I'll get me another one of those. Yeah. Oh Lord have mercy, help me Jesus, help me Lord God, help me Lord God. Yes, it is a boy. Let me. So this mom of boys. I am, you guys. No need to feel betrayed or whatever. We are having another boy. Oh, look at me, I'm smiling. Okay, so let me tell you how I felt, right? When excuse me. First of all, hold on. Shout out to the LONGQI. Y'all know they're my baby daddy. You know they're my baby daddy, honey. So I called all the bundles except the frontal. Oh my gosh. Yes. First, if you knew that it was a boy, please comment. I comment honestly as it was a boy. I messed up in one of my vlogs, or into the my checkup, the one where I had my hair wrapped. Both of them had my hair wrapped. When I was in my Issa Finna dress, the purple one, and I messed up and said it was a boy. I was like, crap. Now they know. And I just went back to the hospital like, yo, it's in the last video, I tell them say I'm a boy. Big mistake. So let's say I'm a girl that time of year. And they're so cool. I love my personality, because I get along with people. Because the first day I went, I'm just walking, I'm just pause, I'm say good morning, good girls. And like that's just how I dealt with it, you know what I mean? So yeah, so like they're like, yeah, sure, but get nurse so fit for you, because she wasn't here the last time you were here. Like that was epic. Right, so we're having another boy. Lord knows Jermaine Jeremy's been wanting a girl since our first birth, but then a part of me is not wondering, now did we lose her, which, you know, whatever. But yeah, so we're having another boy. I'm 1 month. Show y'all, I have an Amazon baby registry as well, you guys, so y'all go check it out. I don't give a shit, honey. I don't care no more. 16. So this is my Amazon baby registry, honey. Kids, girl, and it says 1 month to go. So I posted this on my Instagram. This 1 month to go. And yeah, so on my vlog channel you would have seen, but this is what we have. There's some baby clothes and stuff. This bath thing, I can't wait. Was it purchased? Oh no. Somebody, let me just, oh my gosh. So I forgot my train of thought. This video is going to be so long for no good reason. You know, I was a little bit disappointed. I ain't gonna lie, baby. Like, I was a little bit disappointed. But more so for German, I'm like, oh no.
So boy. Jonathan, he gets another brother. He gets a baby brother.
Why?
Right, question. But you can't question God. You decide for you this work with it.
Jonathan said, why? Because initially Jonathan said, yo, I want a baby brother, I want a baby brother, I want a baby brother. But then we're like, Jonathan, wouldn't you want like a sister? And he's like, yeah, I want a sister. I want a baby sister. So like in my head I'm like, okay, it's going to be a girl. Like I fully believed that this was gonna be a girl. But I have like a penis that has grown inside of me, which I'm not mad at. Like I'm used to it. Like potty training Jonathan was easy. Just flip his big thing out because I was a little. He my son. Just flip that thing out. And you know, he pees. I'm like, crap, wonder what happened when we for potty training, what happened. And then we use trim with Jonathan. That's easy for do at night time with her. Well, I forgot to come for the bed, stoop down, people. Oh my god, I got like a small amount of anxiety. I was like, I can't do this. I can't have a girl. I can't have a girl. Maybe it's me wished my child's vagina into a penis. I don't know, honey. But that's it. I don't want to go any longer. This video is hella long. This video is hella long. But yeah, we're having another boy. And I'm legit excited. I'm so excited. I have so much videos that I can now film finally. So I'm gonna see if I can wipe this off, which is gonna be hard to do. And then I'm going to film another video. I'm going to film a baby haul. A baby haul. Anyway, so this is it. Thank you again, LONGQI, for sponsoring. Let me see. Yeah, here we go. LONGQI, my niggas. LONGQI, my partners. Thank you, and for sponsoring this video. I'm out of breath, you guys. Thank you. Send prayers and love. Or Amazon baby registry is there. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video, which for me will be like probably 15 minutes from now. For you guys, you have to wait a couple days to watch the other one because you and by the way, happy June. Today is the month. Yeah, this month is the month that he's going to be here. I can say he now. I can say he and not feel bad. No, I had to coincide my vlog with this because then my vlog going to go before this, so I can't have it, you know. I can't have it. By the way, on my vlog channel, I'm on a road to 30,000, so if you could just follow the vlog channel. Talk to you guys in the next video.